Hello. Sorry, time kind of snuck up on me. I haven't uploaded any videos yet. How's everybody doing? How's it? Oh, did I get a Mark raid? Oh, that's sweet. Thanks, Mark, if you're here. Um, I think about dedicating a portion of my stream to Wiggles. So let's do that now. How are you guys doing? I'm tired. I hate streaming when I'm tired. I wasn't gonna stream. I wasn't a big fan of the content that I've been looking at. Hey, Wiggles. Do the Wiggles intro. I gotta come up with a better name for that. Oh shit, where is it? The title. Oh, what did I title this one? Oh yeah, let's cover the title video first in the Wiggles intro. All right, let's watch that again. It was kind of fast. I really want to get one of these for my kids and my dogs now. Ah, thanks, Wiggles. All right, what do I have? I got a soft sit. I got a creepy. I got some court videos. They're all throwback. Well, they're all throwbacks. One of them you probably haven't seen. Let's do. You know what? Let's do the creepy one. So I haven't seen this one before, but I haven't been watching some of the court channels I used to. So maybe you've seen it. I stole this one. I borrowed this one from Trial World. The channel's name is Trial World. Thank you, Trial World, for producing this video. It's excellent.
Do you have any issues with Mr. Klein's?
He's fired. This man tried to sexually assault me yesterday. This man be tripping. He came to the jail talking about he could help me if I pull it out of my pants. I told him, man, you tripping.
Good morning, Mr. Sledge.
By the way, if you want to go pro se and the judge isn't letting you, then let me fix that real quick. There we go. And this will probably work.
Your Honor, this is Mr. Sledge in 24 CF 2745. I met with Mr. Sledge yesterday. You still want to?
Are you high?
Your Honor, I met with Mr. Sledge yesterday.
Oh, wait, just look at the way he stares at his attorney most of the time.
Yesterday, I was informed that he was going to fire me, so I was just inquiring if he wanted to proceed with the Nelson hearing. The situation with Mr. Sledge is on October 17th, the alleged victim in this case gave a written statement saying she wants to drop the charges. As I explained to Mr. Sledge, the state's already aware that she wants to drop the charges, and they're not going to just because she's provided a written statement. So
She went to the state attorney's office and filled out a drop charge for him, didn't she?
Yes, she did. So
Mr. Sledge, just so you understand that the state can go forward with charges even if the alleged victim doesn't want to.
All right.
So that's what Mr. Klein's is explaining
I'm
to you.
not studying him. What y'all talking about?
Say again.
What are y'all talking about? We need to get this show on the road then.
All right. So do you have any issues with Mr. Klein's?
He's fired. This man tried to sexually assault me yesterday. This man be tripping. He came to the jail talking about he could help me if I pull it out of my pants. I told him, man, you tripping.
All right.
I don't know, man.
Have we done a competency evaluation yet on Mr. Sledge?
last week, Your Honor, Dr. McDonald went to the jail to meet with Mr. Sledge. He refused to meet with her.
Okay. Let me explain something to you, and I explained it to you last time. Mr.
Can't
Sledge,
explain
Mr.
nothing,
Sledge.
man. I don't have to do nothing. You can't tell me nothing. The lady said I don't have to if I don't want to, and I told her no, period. That's it. Now let's move forward. I ain't talking about
No,
that.
you need to
I'm done
speak.
with that.
You need to speak with the doctor when
I
she
ain't
comes.
speaking with nobody. I'm pro se. I want to move forward. We
We haven't had
do.
we haven't had a Ferretta hearing yet, Mr.
I want to go pro se. It's my right.
Okay, let me explain something to you. It's your right, but I still have to determine through Mr. Sledge. Here's the problem, Mr. Sledge. Every time I try to explain something to you, you start talking.
Man. You stupid. You tripping.
All right.
You ain't did nothing. You need to get this.
Tell me why I shouldn't find you in contempt.
Hey, man, whatever you want to do, man. I'm ready to go to trial.
Okay, well, I'm finding you in direct criminal contempt for what you just said, specifically calling me stupid.
Okay.
Anything you want to introduce as far as mitigation before I announce your sentence?
Whatever.
All right, 6 months county jail consecutive to anything he has in this case. You want to meet with the doctor now?
I can fill out an appeal?
You can certainly do that if you'd like. Are you going to meet with the doctor?
No. I'm pro se. I don't got to meet with
I haven't allowed you to do that yet, sir. We have to go through what's called a Feretta hearing before we can do that.
Let's do what we want to do then.
All right, set them for a Feretta hearing. When do y'all want to do that?
Whenever the court is available, I'm fine.
I'll defer to
Well, you just told me you wanted to fire your lawyer, so I'm not sure who you're referring to. Well, all right, 12:23. I'll wait for him to file his written Feretta or Nelson request, and then I'll set it for a hearing.
Is that it? Okay. Yeah, I'll go talk to her.
Whoa. And that, to me, is freaking YouTube gold. Wow. Automatic 6-month contempt. It'll probably turn into like 3 days. So he's in jail on a DV charge. The victim filled out a form with the prosecution's office saying she doesn't want to file charges. She doesn't want to be a witness. She doesn't want him to be charged. Prosecutor's office says, "Nah, we're still gonna charge this dude." And it sounds like it's good to have this dude off the street. So good for you, prosecution. Wow. Got a feeling I'm gonna dig into this channel a little bit more. Oh man, you know what? I finally have a soft sit that I think is too boring to play. I've had it for like 4 days. I think Ace might have sent it to me, and I think it came out months ago. I think it was a re-release from Arkansas something. Van Balian covered it. I think I'm just gonna say I think it's boring. I'm gonna skip it. But I got a gummy soft sit though. At least I'm gonna call this guy Gummy. His name's gonna be Gummy.
16th, 2025 in Dundee, Michigan. An officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle that was not displaying a license plate.
How's it going? I'm Officer Stuff. Let me see your hands real quick.
I think I put it on here. There's Mark's channel. Go check out Mark's channel if you haven't already. Yeah. I forgot where where did I get this video from? Crap. Dang it. I forgot to label it. Somebody sent it to me though. The comments on this video are excellent.
The reason I'm stopping is you got no plate on your truck here.
Yeah, exactly. I don't.
Why not?
I'm traveling.
You're traveling?
Yes, sir.
You got a driver's license?
Don't need it.
Don't need it? Okay. Why not? The state of Michigan, it states you gotta have a driver's license.
You know anything about the Constitution of the United States?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
What's the Fourth Amendment?
Okay, so do you have a driver's license?
No, what's the Fourth Amendment?
I'm asking you a question. Do you have a valid Michigan driver's license, sir?
Why don't you get your supervisor?
Okay.
Your supervisor here.
811 and 804.
Put out in.
Calling for 803 and 904.
Sorry about that, sir. Can you make my location? He's not driving, he's traveling.
No, it's driving.
Clear. You know. Central's clear direct. I'll say it out.
Sir, do you have any identification on you?
I don't have to provide it unless I've committed a crime.
Sir, you got no plate on your vehicle.
With what?
I do not have to provide you with anything as long as I have not committed a crime.
Okay. I'm just simply asking for your Michigan driver's
What's your
license.
RAF?
I'm Officer Stump. I work for the Dundee Police Department.
I understand that.
This is the village of Dundee
What
right
is your ARS?
What do you mean ARS?
What is your articular suspicion that I have committed a crime?
Particular suspicion.
Okay, so you don't have a plate on this vehicle, which is a violation of Michigan.
You don't understand. It's a statute or it's a legislative law. Okay.
Okay.
When
You know the Michigan Motor Vehicle Code?
I do know it.
Hey, wait a second. So Lynn says you need to stuff the top of your fezzes. And then, then Leslie says, get some lamb's wool or something like that. Let me go to my lamb's. let me go to my lamb's wool drawer. Is that a thing? Do you guys carry lamb's wool in your home? Sorry, I'm messing with you.
But I don't need to know it.
Okay, what do you know about it?
Because I drive in the private capacity. Okay.
Okay.
I am traveling at my own capacity, my private capacity. Therefore, I do not need it.
Okay. All right.
Okay. And I'm going to need your name and your
Stump,
badge
right here.
number.
811.
811 is your badge number?
Yep. Stump. STUMP. Just like a tree stump. Yep.
Because I'm going to let you know, I'm going to put you on notice right now that this is going to be connected to your bond.
Okay. What kind of bond?
I know your bond. All officers are.
Okay.
And either you took an oath.
Yeah.
Okay. You did take an oath personally, right?
Yeah, all law enforcement officers had taken
You
oath.
sure did. So now you're bonded. Okay.
Okay.
So now what's going to happen is when your supervisor gets here, okay, you're probably going to be finding a new job.
Okay. Why is
Just
it?
to let you know. Because you broke your oath just now.
How so?
Because you pulled me over.
You don't have a license plate on your vehicle.
I am traveling.
And that's why I call him Gummy. Because of the dentist.
Okay.
It's understandable. I'm an American.
Okay. Are you feeling to identify yourself to a law enforcement officer?
I'm not going to identify.
You don't, all right, go ahead and shut the truck off for me.
Nope. Unless you told me I committed a crime.
You committed a traffic violation. So
When
not.
the supervisor gets here, we'll
Yeah,
take care of it.
absolutely.
I don't want to do nothing bad to nobody, but the thing is,
I appreciate that.
is you guys need to understand the law. Okay? You might understand the statute law, okay, commerce law.
You talking
The statute law.
about the MCLs?
No, you might understand that, but you don't understand common law. Okay, and I'm not running in commerce law.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. My supervisor's on the way as you requested.
Awesome, thank you.
So we'll just hang tight until
You
he
guys
gets here.
have a chief of police, or do you
Yeah.
have a?
Yeah, we got a chief.
You got a chief? Okay.
Uh-huh.
He's gonna be out here too.
Okay. So my boss is coming, so he'll be able to talk to you.
Great.
So it's just a simple traffic stop, man. You got no license plate on your vehicle. That's it. Okay. All I'm simply asking is that
you just broke your oath by. I didn't commit a crime. Okay, and
you're violating.
You pulled me
Michigan traffic.
over. You broke your oath. Okay, you broke the 4th Amendment. Okay, the Constitution. If you don't know what it is, go look it up.
Okay.
And then you'll understand what I'm talking about.
Okay. We can. It's all right. We can just wait till my boss gets here.
And just for future reference, I want you to understand that as an officer of the law, and I don't blame you because you guys are taught a certain way. You're taught through the academy, you're taught everything through MCL laws. You guys ain't taught common law. And you're not taught to protect yourselves. Okay, I have nothing against police officers. Yeah. I really think you guys are awesome to have around. I just think that you guys are very uneducated. Okay, and
What's the definition of irony?
What the real laws are. Okay. Now, see, a driver's license, if you really want to know the truth, a driver's license is a contract through the state to be a driver. Okay. The only time you need a driver's license is if you are running in commerce. You are doing business under that.
I've got nothing against police officers. As long as they don't do police work.
A driver's license. That's the only reason you need it.
Okay.
Okay. And I got 2 cases going now. I've already won one.
Oh, where'd you win that at?
In Taylor.
Taylor?
Yep.
Okay.
So, and there's 4 officers that got arrested up there already. You know, got arrested and kicked off the force.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Because of shit like this.
Oh, they stopped you for no plate?
Well, they didn't stop me for no play, but they stopped me for sitting in a parking lot.
Oh.
Okay. And I didn't have plates on either. Okay.
I mean,
so I don't want to come off as a cocky dick. Okay, but I just want you.
If a man is a cocky dick, what would be the female version of that?
To understand that you guys are subjected to some bad shit, okay? Because your office hasn't been totally honest with you guys, just like they haven't been totally honest with us, the people. Okay? And as citizens, we look at you guys to serve and protect. We don't look at you guys to be tyrants.
Okay, so if you want to go and you want to learn about all that, let's say I want to go and I want to learn the correct way, right? Like you said. Where do I go?
Constitution of the United States, Declaration of Independence, Bill of Rights. It's all there, okay? And I'm gonna let you off the hook. I'm gonna let you know what the 4th Amendment right is. That is the right to travel anywhere you want to in this country without being bothered.
Okay.
Okay. Unless you've committed a crime. Okay. I haven't committed a crime. I haven't done nothing wrong, so.
Okay. You think so? Like I said, I got training in the Michigan traffic laws here, so.
Exactly.
What's going on? He's not driving; he's traveling.
Okay. Does he have a driver's license?
Doesn't want to provide.
Doesn't want to provide.
This video is extremely loud.
Okay. Have I committed a crime?
You're one of the sovereign citizens.
No, I'm not a sovereign.
Okay, Michigan law requires you.
National.
Okay, well, Michigan requires you to have a driver's license in this state. Okay, sir, we're not going to play this game. I'm going to let you know right now you need to provide identification to the officer for the stop, and if not, you're going to end up going to Monroe County Jail. Your vehicle's going to be impounded.
Okay, can you get your sheriff out here? Or your captain?
No. I'm the highest ranking supervisor right now.
You have to.
No, I do not.
Yes, you do.
Okay, sir, are you going to comply?
You know you're going to get fired, right?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not, sir.
Yes, you are.
I am not.
My house is right there. Okay.
You need to have a valid driver's license to be on Michigan roadways, sir. Your vehicle's not registered as well either. So you're committing 2 crimes.
You don't know what the Constitution of the United States is either, do you?
You don't either, sir.
Oh, yes, I do know what it is.
All right, well, you can go whatever you want to do with that, but yes, sir.
Yeah.
So are you going to provide that information?
I'm not going to.
Okay.
And the thing is I asked you.
Hey,
I asked for the supervisor.
And I am the supervisor on duty.
And now I'm asking for either the captain or the sheriff.
The highest ranking person on duty for our department right now is me. Other than that, it's the chief of police, and he is not working today. And the sheriff does not come out here for these types of calls. So I know you recognize that the sheriff is the only elected official in law enforcement when you're a sovereign citizen, but apparently...
I'm not trying to be a sovereign citizen.
What was the initial stop for?
No license.
All right, sir. You're going to have to step out of the vehicle then.
I got 11-803 on a traffic stop.
Yes. Can you step outside the vehicle?
I didn't know what your location was.
If you put your hands on me and you kidnap me from my automobile.
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
If you kidnap me.
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
If you kidnap me. Don't touch me. Get your hands off of me.
Stop it now, sir.
Don't touch me.
You're going to jail then.
You get your hands off.
Okay, let's get him out.
You get your sheriff here. No, you get your sheriff here. You get your...
Hey. Run your door.
Hey. No. Come on, man. Come on. Hey. Calm down. I am injured, okay? You're gonna hurt me more. You're going to hurt me more.
Get out of the car. Now. Turn around.
5046 or 50.
Hands behind your back.
Clear direct. 40.
Wait, you're supposed to get a bunch of snow in Georgia?
You guys are doing some serious shit. And you'll be paying for this to come back to me.
Face that way real quick.
Clear. Priority traffic off. Okay, 11 custody, 1324.
Illegal seizure, kidnapping. Okay. Look at 18241 and 242. And 18, USC 18, 1581 through 1591A. Okay?
Go this way.
You guys are both going to be gone. You both are done. I guarantee it.
Take care of it quick.
And that officer assaulted me.
Alright. Take a seat.
I want my phone.
Okay, take a seat.
It's not any driver's license. I can't sit like this. I'm telling you, I got bad back problems and I got heart problems. You're gonna fucking
Arrest, you dumbass!
can't sit back.
Okay, you want to stay forward and not do a seatbelt, or are you refusing a seatbelt?
Yes, I don't want a seatbelt,
Okay,
please.
I gotta put this on you though.
I just said I don't want one, and you put one on me anyway.
Yeah, you gotta have seatbelt. Simple stop.
I don't see any idea on him. And he's got his VIN covered up.
We've got way more than 10 cavities.
He's got a thing that says constitutional waiver or whatever. I don't know if you can get that out of it. Can you get that piece of paper out of it?
MSP unit.
No, you're fine. We don't want to get you involved on this one.
1449. 49. Some DPG is asking, do you guys have a
Rick Martin,
scanner?
Constitution lawyer. Is that his name? I don't know, but I'll check the VIN. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, firm, but I'm the only one working and I can't use it.
I'll get you the VIN.
Great to come down.
Is your name Rick?
811
Nope.
clear direct.
Nope, you're not Rick Martin.
Nope.
Okay.
Can I get my phone, please, so that I can call my...
I can't get you anything until I figure out who you are.
Well,
Central to 811.
Good.
1449 has one, but she's not able to use it. She can see if Brian can come down if like.
Negative. He'll just be held till lost identity.
Clear. 1449 clear direct.
Hey, firm.
That would be funny, but what I've learned is that all Eric Martin's relatives look like him. His brother looks like him. His sister looks like him. His
817 salt.
That's the VIN.
Sorry.
Hey, yeah, counselor, did you want to speak to the other counselor?
This is traveling, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
See on the back? No soliciting private.
Oh, yeah. He's got the flag, too.
Yeah. He's spouting off the
He's got
Constitutional.
R&O, too, right?
Yeah.
They all with them R&O, so.
Yeah.
The way they are.
Turn this off.
Wait, was there somebody else in the car?
Nope, that's not the sheriff.
Ultimately, the driver was charged with 2 counts of resisting and obstructing a police officer, 1 count of failure to identify upon request of a police officer, 1 count of refusal to provide DNA, and multiple traffic-related violations, including driving without insurance. After he eventually identified himself to jail staff, it was found out that his license expired in 2006. He was processed at the jail and later released after posting a $5,000 bond. Court records show the case is now moving through pretrial proceedings, with no final disposition entered as of the most recent update.
Do you know what they call 8 inches of snow in Colorado and really most of the northern states? We call that winter. However, it's only snowed here twice. This is the first year I didn't get a snowboard pass. Good call. Mainly because I was broke, though. Something else. Something else. Something else. Hang on. I forgot. Okay. Yep, he's a dick flute. Yeah. Yeah, 20 years without a license. And I also get the feeling sorry. I get the feeling he hasn't actually been pulled over too many times. All right, should I go to court or body cam? Oh, you know what? Let's do a throwback body cam. Just because we've played so many sovereign citizens and so many Karens. I think I played this on my channel when I started the channel. But most of y'all weren't here, if not all of you. So this one's kind of intense. Very entertaining, but intense.
Officer routinely oversees the towing of a vehicle. He's about to witness the first occurrence of a string of events that will lead to the scariest night of his career.
Hang on. Just because I don't want to offset the timing too much. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the thing. Cheryl, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Question for everyone: do tomatoes go in guacamole? Husband and I are having a debate. I would say yes. I would say dice them small. I would say throw the cilantro in the trash can. Cheryl, thank you so much. You want me to put up a poll, Cheryl? Getting mixed reviews from the chat. You know what? Let's make a poll.
Jesus Christ. What the hell was that? A white four-door, it was a Hyundai, just went by us at an extremely high rate of speed.
About an hour and a half later, officers find the suspect parked in a driveway and surround him.
It's actually pretty crazy that they found this guy, especially after an hour and a half. Thanks for the 2 months, Ben. You're awesome.
Stop! Stop! Let me see your hand. Don't move.
Whose hand?
Come out of the car.
Whose hand?
Come out of the car. Come out of the car.
Hold on.
No, stay right there.
Right there. Don't move.
Stay right there.
Don't move. I'm not going anywhere.
We're out.
Get out of the car.
I'm always happy when you join, Ben.
Mark, you will be shot if you put that vehicle in park and drive. Mark, don't do it, Mark.
I'll get my mom.
Mark, don't do it.
I'll get my mom.
Don't do it. You're going to hit my car.
I'll get my mom.
You're going to hit my car. Stop. Mark, don't do it. Get out of the car.
Out of the car. I'll get my mom.
Get my mom.
Watch out. Watch out. Whoa, Frankie, watch out. Holy shit. Mark.
Boom.
We need units.
Look at the you guys are doing. 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 You gotta fucking kill him.
Oh,
Yeah, and yeah, she's yelling at the cops for her son ramming this car over and over.
watch out, Frankie. Frankie, watch out.
Yeah.
Get out of the way.
Oh my fucking God.
Watch out, watch out. Watch out. Frankie. Zach, watch out.
Everyone get off the street. Get out of the way. She's
Watch out! Watch out! Our units are okay right now. We need more.
Is anyone in that car? All units stay off the road. Stay off the road. Everyone off the road.
Stay in the house. Watch out. Block him in. Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Watch the crossfire. Back this way. Back this way.
Justin, back this way.
Get the f*** out of the car. You're under arrest. We got the car.
Put that vehicle drive. You will be shot. Get out with your hands up. Get out of the car. Get out of the car now. Watch her! Rose, watch her!
Back up! I don't give a shit! Back up! Can we confirm you're okay?
Orlana, cuff her!
Back up! Get back!
Orlana!
Keep her
cuff her!
And they need better cameras. I'll catch up on the.
Try the other side.
The
other side of the baton. I gotta check the dog too.
This officer is referring to his K9 unit that was inside one of the squad cars the suspect rammed at full speed.
What kind of evidence?
Get out of the car!
I got covered, guys. All right. I got you. Get out of the car!
Mark, get out of the car now!
Got him slumped over.
You get SWAT out here.
Is he slumped over?
Back. Stay back.
Watch out. Watch out. See if I can. Use the other side of it, Justin. It's heavier.
Other side.
He's moved. Watch crossfire, Sarge.
Oh my god, dude, what are those windows made out of?
Here, I got a window punch. They got it.
Gonna get there.
Okay.
E-bus, watch crossfire.
All right, Justin.
Safe like repair, safe like replace.
Seconds is an officer that says he's bouncing up, indicating the suspect may be having a seizure.
Open that door. Keep the door open.
What was he using to break that freaking window? I almost felt like the safe light button wasn't even worthy. All right. Oh, God. Got a feeling y'all are hungry. I'm hungry. Let's catch up. All right. Hang on. Loretta J. Thank you for the $2 super chat. I love cilantro. See, I don't think it tastes like soap. I think it tastes like... But then again, I've never tasted soap. So maybe. But I hate it. The only time I like it is when it's really, really... There's not too much of it. Like this much. And maybe a little ceviche. But I can't stand cilantro. Legal Fiction. Thank you so much for the $2 super cilantro chat. Not a cilantro fan. Yeah. I don't know. I think it overwhelms I think it just takes over the flavor. So the only thing, if I eat someone's cilantro is the only thing I can taste. and I don't like it. Leslie is a cilantro lover. Thank you so much for the $2 cilantro chat. Can I rename it that? The cilantro chat. You know, I don't like pineapple. I love pineapple, but I hate it on pizza. No, we've got our own taste. Cilantro. It's not even allowed in my house, but I got about 80 different kinds of hot sauce. Thanks, Leslie. Thanks, Legal Fiction. Thanks, Loretta. Girl named Joe, but have y'all tried arugula on pizza just before it comes out of the oven? Why before it comes out of the oven? Yeah, I like arugula. Arugula is good. I like arugula. I like basil. I like all the stuff, except cilantro. I think cilantro is really the only thing I don't like. I'm sure. Oh no, have you got what's that? There's a Mexican spice that's like really, 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 really sour. I don't like that either. So like my two bugaboos. Why is this one not popping up over here? Man, thank you so much for the $5 cilantro chat. No cilantro for me. I hear ya. You know what? I'm gonna do the cilantro coriander. Oh, you know what else I don't like? I really like blue cheese. I don't know. Coriander. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. I don't even want to try to pronounce it. Coriander. Tell me something that would have coriander in it. I don't know. Sally Port. Wait, hold on. Did I skip one? Why is your super chat not showing? Lynn. Weird. I've got it on one screen, but I don't have it on another. Sally Port, thank you so much for the 2 months. Is coriander cilantro? You don't like American? What do you put on burgers? Oh, cheddar. Cheddar's better on burgers, but still, American is great on burgers. All right, what was I doing? Oh yeah, videos. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are wonderful. All right, so this guy rams in the cop car, what, 3-4 times? I think. I don't know if they said it already, but I'm pretty sure there's a dog canine in here. Yeah, Chai is good.
I got here, come on.
Scott,
I got it. All right, watch. Everyone be careful. Just grab the key and...
If you get the Kraft singles, yeah. Go to the deli and get American cheese. It'll probably change your mind.
Turn it off. Mark! Get the door locked? Yeah, you're good. All right. Guns away, guns away, guns away. Get him out. Recovery position. Get him in the recovery position. Recovery position.
Officers realize they still need to check the squad that was rammed with a K-9 unit inside.
Yeah, and is religious.
Hold on, buddy. I need some light right here. Hold on, let me go on this side.
Get the dog out.
What's that? He hit my car like 3 times. I gotta check the dog. Come here, come here, come here. Stay. It's okay. Motherfucker.
He's so scared.
You alright? Yeah, I think so. You okay?
Keep him on his side.
You alright?
I'm good.
He was trying to run over me and Francie. I just got glass in my hand. But then also he had a... You good? And he backed up to like about this telephone pole and just gunned it full speed right into it. Like I don't know if he thought I was in there or something. He was just smoking the car, and then you back up, boom, do the next thing, and he was wild. Everybody was just like running to try to get out of the way. Then he just gunned it down that way and just smoked the car head on, and then like we were giving him commands and nothing.
Thank God you were out of the car already.
Yeah. Oh, dude, I ran right up alongside his house, just hoping he didn't see me because he would come at me. That was forced me to kill him because I have nowhere to go.
So he like just got out of the car when you guys came up on him?
Yeah, so as soon as I pulled in behind him, Ruth was getting out, and then he like locked the door, so that we were like right here on the side of the car, and we were just like, get out of the car, you're under arrest, get out of the car.
He was hitting the car. The officer wasn't in the car, so I didn't think he wanted to put himself. 68% of the poll are clinically insane. I don't think the officer wanted to get in between his car and the guy ramming it, but I probably would have tried if my dog was in there.
Then all of a sudden, like I hear the car start, or I don't know if it started, or I saw the reverse lights come on. And then I freaking tried to smash the window to get him out, and then he just backed it up. I remember him hitting my car, and then he went through it, and then went like this way, and then he put it in drive, and then he just boom, backed up again, boom. I'm just so thankful that nobody was hit.
This suspect, Mark Ferraiolo, a 23-year-old male, and his wife, Ruth Patton, a 42-year-old female.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that part. That wasn't his mom. Holy shit. Hold on. Let's just hear him say wife again.
This suspect, Mark Ferraiolo, a 23-year-old male, and his wife, Ruth Patton, a 42-year-old female, who was the woman heard interfering with the incident, were both arrested that night.
Things that make you go.
Reports indicate Mark has both eluded and been violent with police on multiple occasions. In an interview with Ruth, she stated that while her and Mark were driving prior to the incident, they saw cops overseeing someone's car being towed on the side of the road. Mark thought the police were coming for them. According to Ruth, Mark wanted to, quote, crash the f***ing car, and both of them were going to die along with their baby, as Ruth was pregnant at the time. She also said that Mark wanted to crash into the cops and wanted to kill at least 2 officers that night. He then proceeded to speed by officers at approximately 80 miles an hour in a 45-mile-per-hour zone at the scene of the car towing, and the events following unfolded. Mark was charged with 2 counts of first-degree attempted murder of a police officer, 2 counts of third-degree aggravated assault on a police officer, 2 counts of third-degree eluding, 4 counts of fourth-degree criminal mischief, and 1 count of fourth-degree injuring a police K-9. Ruth was charged with 1 count of third-degree terroristic threats and 1 count of fourth-degree obstruction of justice for her actions during the incident. While no trial date has been set yet, both have been held without bond at the Burlington County Jail since the incident. While both the K-9 unit named Tango as well as multiple officers sustained injuries, none were life-threatening, and all have since fully recovered. Mark and Ruth are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
This was the calm before the storm that they probably never saw coming. And it's amazing how people can see a street full of cops but still drive like they simply don't care. Now, fortunately, they found the white sedan, and I'm thinking, good, they found the car, at least the situation's contained. But that illusion was shattered in seconds. And what actually drives a person to do this, because those officers barely moved out of the way. Because this isn't just reckless, it's deliberate. And I'm thinking he must have a warrant, drugs, or a gun in the car. But he had none of that. He just wanted to crash out and hurt cops.
And in a similar situation in Bismarck, North Dakota, in March of 2025, an officer was severely injured after being intentionally hit by a car that was occupied by a female suspect. Now, thankfully, the officer did survive, but I can't say the same for the suspect. In 2024, 49 officers were murdered by gunfire, but 52 were killed by vehicles, an important reminder of the real risk posed to those serving.
And I personally know an officer who lost their career and their life from a similar situation. So this was hard to watch because Mark flat out weaponized that car and almost created a homicide scene. And that street went from quiet to demolition zone. And I know those neighbors had to be terrified because your eyes probably can't believe what you're seeing. And I literally had to hold my breath when I realized he hit the K-9 vehicle because that hit could have been deadly. Now, the officers finally did rip him out of the car and no officer was severely injured. But this guy's fuse was already lit when he sped by, and I'm convinced he wanted to end his life and some cops as well. And the part no one speaks about is what stays with the officers, because these moments do not just disappear. They replay at night when you go to sleep long after your shift ends. And that's the part.
Thanks, Officer John. I normally skip Officer John, but that was a good That was a good follow-up. Yeah, she's pregnant. Well, the video said she was pregnant. He's 23. She's 42. So when the kid turns 23, he will be his. You see where I'm going with that? Oh man. Oh, it'll give me a chill. That's so disgusting. That's so gross. Hold on, I gotta shake that one off. Oh, the extra jump to get out of the hole. All right. All right, you guys want to go to court or body cam next? It's gonna be throwback court, but it's gonna be soft state court. I think I'm going to let's go to body cam. Court. Java says yes. Okay, I got court. I got court. I got court. Well, I got both. So let's see. I got court, body cam. Hey, Sly. I think this is pretty short. It's not that short. Well, okay. Since we played her on body cam the other day, we might as well play her in court. And I forgot who I stole this from.
Warrant for your arrest if you refuse to attend in person.
Can you please stop referring to me as a defendant?
Ms. Kristen, I got to tell you, I don't know what in the heck you're talking about.
Because I really don't want to have to file
She doesn't have her teeth in. She clearly doesn't have her teeth in.
claims and ruin people's lives and ruin their jobs because they're not upholding my constitutional rights as a woman, not a defendant. I am a woman only. I, woman Angela. I, woman Angela. I, woman Angela. That's it. Not defendant. I don't want to file claims. I'm trying very hard, and I've been trying hard to not do that. But I guess if we got to keep going, that's my next step, and I will file proper claims.
All right, good morning, Ms. Christensen.
Yay, it's going to hold her teeth in.
Good morning. We are back on the record in the 53rd Circuit Court for the County of Presque And Ms. Christensen, although you're hearing from your...
You're watching ADALAT Report, where we bring you real cases and real decisions. Let's begin today's story. This...
Blah, 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 blah.
We begin the hearing, just like last time, I'm required each time to remind you that you do have the right to the assistance of a lawyer if you wish. And that includes the right to a lawyer at public expense if you were indigent, and that you've previously waived that right and wish to represent yourself. And so I guess I want to ask you again, do you reaffirm that you'd like to represent yourself in this matter, or would you like to have a lawyer?
No, I would like to self-govern, and I stand on my paperwork.
Okay, so what we have today, you did file
the denture harness, exactly.
Notices that asked for some type of relief, and we had adjourned the hearing to today for any argument on that. So the prosecutor has had a chance to review them. So Ms. Christensen, you say that you stand by the paperwork, and that's fine. I do have the paperwork in front of me. Is there any...
No, she says she stands on the paperwork.
Is there any argument that you'd want to make on your behalf right now to me in support of those claims, or do you wish to just rely on the written pleadings you file?
It is my wish to stand on my paperwork.
Okay. Mr. Radsbaum, do the people have any argument in opposition to those 4 notices?
Your Honor, I've reviewed the paperwork, and I guess, well, she may not recognize.
It's newspapers that she cut up, and she's using it as quote unquote potty paper.
Or honor the state of the law. I don't believe that there's any relief that's recognized under law that would allow you to dismiss this case against her based on what she's alleged in the paperwork. I fail to see it.
Okay. All right. Well, Ms. Christensen, now I'm going to make a ruling on the notices, which I'm construing as some motion or request for relief. And I've got a written order that I'll enter. I'll read it at this point. Defendant, who at this point in the case is representing herself, has filed 4 handwritten notices. These notices appear to seek relief in one form or another. As to the first notice, defendant asserts that she is a woman and not a defendant. The court finds that Angela Christensen is both a woman and a defendant in this criminal action. To the extent her notice seeks relief, such relief is denied. As to the second notice, defendant demands that any man or woman with a claim against her appear and present such claim in open court. To the extent that this notice seeks to invoke defendant's right to confront her accusers, this court will enforce that right. However, the right of confrontation.
Pile of notes, like she had studied for an exam, only for the judge to dismiss it all.
And it's not the right to confront your or question your accusers. It's to question the witnesses. Now, personally, I love the judge approach when they just say, nope, denied, move on. But he's too friendly for that right now.
At all pretrial hearings, but only the trial or any necessary evidentiary hearings. So to the extent that this notice seeks to require the appearance of any complaining witnesses at all pretrial hearings, such relief is denied. As to the third notice, defendant asserts that this court lacks authority over her and that only her creator has that authority. Without gainsaying the authority of the creator, it can be noted that religious traditions commonly recognize that the creator has instituted human authority as well. In this matter, the people of the state of Michigan, through ratifying the 1963 state constitution, as well as its predecessor constitutions, have established this court and its authority. The people of the state of Michigan, through their elected representatives, have established laws that apply in this court. And the people of this county have elected this judge to serve in this office. And this court has subject matter over this felony prosecution and has personal jurisdiction over this defendant. Any relief sought by this notice is denied. As to the fourth notice, defendant claims that this court and the government exist only because she allows them to exist. To the extent that this assertion reiterates the proposition that our constitutional republic is founded on the consent of the governed, such proposition is axiomatic as a general matter. However, this proposition does not require that the government must obtain consent or permission from each individual person before exerting governmental authority over that person. Such an idea is nonsense and would result not in a constitutional republic, but in anarchy. This defendant's views would render all the criminal laws null and void, which is legally and practically absurd. Therefore, any relief sought by this notice is also denied. All right, so Ms. Christensen, all of the claims and papers that you have
Which one, axiomatic?
Filed, I have found to be lacking in legal and factual merit, and I have denied any such relief. And I'm entering a
That's fine. Please stop referring to me as a defendant. And I guess the next step will be, I guess I got to do the actual filing of the claims if you're going to deny all of those.
You got to file the claims that you just denied.
I don't know what claims you're talking about. You filed some claims or notices or requests.
No, I did not even file my claims yet. I did notices. I did not file my claims yet. I've been putting that off because I really don't want to have to file claims and ruin people's lives and ruin their jobs because they're not upholding my constitutional rights as a woman, not a defendant. I am a woman only. I, woman Angela. I, woman Angela.
You went to school with I, woman Angela? No freaking way.
Angela, I, woman Angela. That's it. Not defendant. I'm not a defendant.
Well, you are. And
okay, in your opinion and legalese, yes, but I am a woman. So do we need to do trial by jury when we can do my claims and file my court with your court at the same time? Because that's going to be my next step, to file claims against everybody involved in this case. Because there is.
Imagine that. This wasn't a favor. It was a legal obligation. Through all of this, the judge stayed.
Nabel, did you grow up in an area where they didn't have fluoride in the water?
I don't want to file claims. I'm trying very hard, and I've been trying hard to not do that. But I guess if we got to keep going, that's my next step. And I will file proper claims with the proper people and the insurance for the bonding. So I don't know what you want to do at this point. And I really don't want to have to do that.
Ms. Kristen, I got to tell you, I don't know what in the heck you're talking about. You're talking nonsense. So here's the thing. I am not going to relinquish my authority in this case. I'm not. All right. The prosecutor's office can dismiss the case. They're choosing not to. So that means we do have to go forward to a jury trial unless you want to plead guilty. All right. But what I'm also going to do is your ramblings here today and at previous hearings, and after I reviewed your written notices, it's clear to me that you have no concept of the legal and factual issues at stake.
Yeah. Not only that, she's the leader of the gummies, the Gummy Republic.
And I would never know anything about legalese because I never went to school to do the legalese, so I don't understand that part.
All right, you're illustrating my next point, and you have no respect for the authority of the court. You continue to interrupt me and such, and file these nonsense claims. So I am hereby withdrawing my consent for you to represent yourself. I'm referring this matter to the Office of Assigned Counsel for appointment. So any papers you file in this case, I will reject because they have to be filed.
Well, I don't accept that offer, and I do not require you to give me any court-appointed attorney, and I will self-govern because that is my right. I don't want an attorney.
Yeah, I've always called her toothless as well, but that's kind of degrading to one of my little favorite cartoon dragons.
I don't do legalese. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be rude or disrespectful. I'm trying to be very decent.
I don't know. In this one.
Well,
I stand on my paperwork and I'll do the rest of my paperwork. I will keep doing it, and now I'm going to file my claims. So that's fine. But no, I don't need no legal counsel. I refuse that offer. I do not accept that offer. I'm sorry. With all due respect to you, I don't accept that.
Well, Ms. Christensen, it wasn't an offer. So we are scheduling this next for a docket call on February 14th at 10 that, and I'll refer it to the Office of Assigned Counsel for you to have an attorney at that hearing. You are no longer allowed to represent yourself in this matter, and you will be in person in my courtroom at that date and time.
I'm sorry, but I cannot be there. I can do it via Zoom, and I don't accept that offer either unless you want to compensate me for my gas and my time. Because I
knowing her, it's probably white.
Can't do that. I can't even afford to. Sorry.
Ms. Christensen, it's not an offer. I want to have you here because you've expressed such disregard for the proceedings. I want to have you here so you can meet your attorney. Ms. Christensen, stop interrupting me. It's not an offer. You will be here, or I will issue a warrant for your arrest if you refuse to attend in person. All right, we'll see you February 14th, or I'll issue a warrant for your arrest. You have a good day.
You have a nice.
So, what do you think? Did she truly believe her own arguments?
Messed up.
Or was she just trying to mess with the system? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Yeah, Lynn sent me the throwback of I Woman Angela because if you guys missed it, we played her on body cam the other day. She got arrested in Florida, which is pretty funny that we get a Michigan repeater in the court. Ow, I just hit my knees. Who we get a body cam video in Florida. Now in Florida, she was charged with trespassing. I have no idea what she was charged with there. But she clearly was not wearing her teeth during that hearing. Okay, I'll take it, Brecken. I don't have time to play it today. Well, maybe tonight. I don't know. There's some videos I need to make, and I'm behind. But I love me some court. Oh, I got a Mark. Mark, you still here? It's cool if you're not, but I got a perfect one for you. I got a Mark. I got a Mark candidate.
27th, 2024. We are on the side of a residential road with a driver who has apparently mistaken her morning commute for a Formula One qualifying lap. She's clocked at 75 miles per hour in a 40 miles per hour zone.
I mean, I just having a hard time streaming them. You know what? I do have one that I think probably needs some editing. I'll send it to you and see what, and then you can tell me what you think.
That is 35 over the limit, deep into reckless driving territory. But the speed isn't what makes this video a classic. It's the sheer, unadulterated audacity of her attitude. Look, I'm going to be real with you guys. We have all been late for work.
This guy adds a lot of commentary. Crap, I forgot the name of the channel. What's the channel? Oh, you're asking me. Hold on.
Hello. You're in a big hurry this morning.
Going to work. My job is over there.
Okay.
No, yeah.
Or a long one? Yeah, but not probably tomorrow. I played the other one that you sent me. I think I played yesterday. Hold on, let me find the name of this channel real quick. I'm gonna have to look it up.
Just like what's it?
Body cam watch.
It's like 45, right?
It's 45, yeah. How fast do you think you were going?
40.
Oh, 75.
Me?
Yeah, under the overpass. 75 miles an hour.
What's that? I'm so sorry for that. I was trying to get to work. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license and proof of insurance with you?
Yeah, there's no way. I'm 35.
And do you have proof of insurance for the car?
So I actually got it from Body Cam Justice Reports, but he definitely added his own commentary on the one he probably got from Body Cam Watch. Body Cam Justice Reports.
With you?
Yes, I do have. Hold on, let me see. Yeah.
I'll try to play it tonight.
Yeah, that's registration. I just need proof of insurance. Like the ID cards that they send you, even electronically is okay.
Yeah.
If you got into a crash, what would you show the other driver that you had insurance?
Hold on. God forbid.
Well, you're doing 30 over. The chances of that happening are getting exponentially greater.
Cheryl, I'll be right back with this one.
Okay, that's just a transaction receipt that doesn't show me anything.
You know, the actual, it's in my email.
Okay,
Yeah.
you hold on to that. Give me a second, I'll get you out of here.
All right, while he's looking her up. Cheryl, thank you so much for the $5. I guess I can't call it the cilantro chat anymore. I want to, though. With the videos Grammar has shown us today, here's your gentle reminder to make that dental appointment for you and your family. Thank you, Grammar. Yeah, we've had a lot of teeth issues today. I don't think this is one of them, but you know, if you haven't seen the dentist in a while, you should go do that. Thanks, Cheryl. You're awesome. I go way too much.
All right. So I am giving you a ticket for the speeding and for not having proof of insurance with you. You're going to get...
Yes, you me
Yes, ma'am.
Proof of insurance, I'm calling them and I showed you that.
If you got involved in a crash, you're required to show proof of insurance.
In a crash. Are you driving me like now? Like you want me just to be upset?
No.
You're not on top of
Would you like to listen? You ask me questions and you don't let me answer.
I'm like really irritated now.
Okay. You were doing 75 miles an hour. The speed limit's 40.
I can't be on 75.
I got you with laser. I got you at...
Your laser probably needs to be fixed.
Because it is 30 miles an hour over the speed limit, you have a mandatory court appearance.
Again, Mark candidate. Mark, can you just imagine her saying something like, well, just talking about the laser in general?
They're going to subpoena you.
I'm very irritated now.
Okay.
I'm, like, you know,
I understand.
I'm like on my work, and now you're causing me all this, like...
Yeah, I did not cause this. I am not responsible for your driving.
What do you mean I'm not responsible? Like, you're not...
Your actions are the reason that we're here. You are given these in lieu of being arrested. So I need your signature on the lines. I just told you. You are giving citations in lieu of being arrested. Okay. You are required to sign these.
Can I...
No, you can call them when we're done. Ma'am, I want you to listen to me very carefully.
Yeah, that's fine.
You have to sign these or you go to jail.
Give me a few minutes.
Okay.
Give me a few minutes.
Tango 13, I'll need another, please.
Can I...
No, ma'am.
Yeah, going 35 over is a tough sell. What are they? Oh, never mind.
You sign these or you come with me?
Give me a minute, sir.
No. There's no minute. We've been here for 10 minutes already.
Yes, I've been for more than that. Just please give me a minute.
Ma'am.
Yeah. A minute?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Look at me.
A minute. Yeah. Give me a minute.
No minute. Let's go.
Oh, what do you mean? Let's go. You can't pull me off.
No minute.
Excuse me. Don't touch me.
Out of the car.
Sir, give me a minute. Sir, you can't do that to me.
Out of the car.
Hello?
Ma'am.
Yeah. The officer is pulling me off the car. Oh, what are you doing?
On your feet.
What do you mean? I did not do nothing. Just give me a minute.
Oh, ma'am.
Give me that.
I asked you. No, we already passed that point.
No, what do you mean? Oh,
Put your hands behind your back.
no, just give me a minute, sir. Oh, what did I do to you?
I've already explained this to you.
Okay, well, let me just sign it, please.
Hands behind your back.
Please. Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, we're making this far worse for yourself.
Oh my God.
Stand up. Stand up.
Don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Don't touch me. Leave me alone. Mama.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to go to the ground then. Gently. All right. All the way down. No, ma'am.
Look, my work is over there. What did I do to you, sir? Maybe I need to go to the hospital.
Okay, we can arrange that. You're still going to go to jail afterwards.
Please leave me alone. What did I do to you? I'm gonna sign. Let me talk to my... No, sir, I do... Sir, please. Sir, I'm so sorry. Sir, what do you need me to do?
I've already explained to you what I needed from you. You've refused to comply up to this point. You are now being arrested for obstruction.
Wait, why can't I think of who JP3 is?
What did I do? Sir,
Do you want to stand or do you want to lay on the ground?
let me call my boss.
Do you want to stand or do you want to lay on the ground?
Sir,
Ma'am,
sir,
ma'am,
please.
we're still back to square one where you're not answering questions.
I beg you. Sir, I beg
Tango
you.
13. You have somebody in out for me, please? I'm 1015.
Sir, I beg you. I'll sign. I'll do whatever you want. Just leave me. Sir, I'm so sorry.
You had the opportunity to sign.
I beg you.
I asked you 3 times.
Sir, I'm so sorry.
You chose not to do
she's
that.
afraid.
That's why we are here where we are now.
What did I do?
CVS parking lot, on the Tillman 38. All right, your ride's here. You're going to need to get up. You good?
Sir, please, I did not do nothing. Sir, I'm sorry.
This way.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. My
Do you have
car.
anything on you? that
No.
can't go with you. Anything that'll
What
poke
do you
or stab or anything like
Why
that.
do you take me?
Okay.
Sir, please, I beg you, sir. Sir, sir, I did not do nothing. Sir.
You're gonna have to take these bracelets off.
No, sir. Sir, please.
You can do it after.
Love the back-to-back.
This one we can take. These two can take.
Comments
Sir,
like
please,
that.
sir,
Okay, stop
Just-
turning
Just
around.
face this way.
You're just making this far more difficult than it had to be.
Let me call my sister. Let me call my
Ma'am,
sister.
all you had to do was sign the citations.
Okay, I'll
But,
sign it.
no. See, we've passed that point when I asked you 3 times and then I told you to get out of the car and you still didn't comply.
Call my attorney because I do not know what the reason.
You did not know even though I explained to you 3
I'm
times?
sorry, sir. Please let it go.
I understand you're very remorseful. Do you have anything in your pockets?
I have nothing.
Okay.
Let me go.
You're going to have a seat in this car.
Turn it this
You want
way.
to go to the other side or?
Let me get my.
Yeah.
Sir, oh, my
Have a seat.
hand. Sir, let me call my boss.
Have a
Let
seat,
me
please.
Get my phone.
Have a seat, please.
I'm just.
Sit all the way in, please.
Sir, I'm
Sit all the way in.
I'm afraid.
Sit all the way in, please.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to buy that Mercedes and give up a credit card or 10.
You're taking me.
Have a seat, ma'am. You're only getting more charges the more you don't comply.
Okay, well,
Please sit.
Inside of the car.
Feet inside the car.
Sir, let me.
All the way
Feet inside the car.
Sir, I'm afraid. Sir, don't do this.
It's a Webby.
Oh, 1 second. Let me turn this on real quick.
Oh, Webby.
Sir, please, sir. I'm like, I'll sign. I do whatever you want. Yeah. يا ربي دخيلك ماما.
Right, my headphones died.
Put your seatbelt on real quick, okay?
What are you taking me, sir?
I'll tell you in 1 second.
Please can I call my phone? Sir, please, sir. Sir, you're nice, sir. Tell me where are you taking me? Can I call someone?
Say that again, I'm sorry.
Can I call my job? Tell them.
You'll be able to call them from whatever you get.
What? Sir, please, don't do that to me. Please, sir. Sir, where are you taking me?
Dallas County Jail.
Why, sir? Sir, please.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, what did I do?
You didn't sign the ticket like that.
I would sign it, sir. I sign it. Sir, please. I sign anything you want.
Okay, we're past that now.
Anything you want.
Sir, Sir, please. Sir, please, sir. Sir, I don't know. Sir.
Or
sir,
male.
Sir.
Pale.
Sir.
To truly comprehend the catastrophic meltdown we just witnessed, we have to start at the very beginning. The speed. 75 miles per hour in a 40 zone is not speeding. Speeding is doing 50 in a 40. Doing 75 in a 40 is a death wish. It is kinetic energy that residential roads and commercial zones are simply not designed to handle. When the officer approaches, he isn't just dealing with a traffic infraction. He is dealing with someone who has demonstrated a profound disregard for the safety of every single person around her. And yet, her opening gambit is the work defense. She points to her job at Diamond Sour as if employment is a get-out-of-jail-free card. This is the first crack in her reality. She believes that her personal schedule overrides public safety statutes.
Yeah, sorry. My headphones died, so I needed a distraction. Can you hear me? The little green dots say that you can, but just to make sure, Kale, Hail, Fail, Gale. You know, that guy must type a lot of stuff if that is AI. Okay, Quail. All right, let's do a hot one from Brecken. I like the flow though. Court, not court, court, not court. The Webby's too long. I'll play that one later. I wonder if I can get away with, I gotta pick up my son in like a half hour, but I wonder if I could get away with playing it after I come back.
Right. Then 26.
Oh, look.
2005.
Sylvia.
I'm sorry, it's
2 days in a row.
26/00/0005. All right. And this is
Uh-oh.
Travashe Patel versus Leslie McMillan. Do I have someone here on behalf of Patel? Good afternoon, Mr. Patel. You're on mute. You'll need to unmute by pressing *6. Mr. Patel, you'll have to press *6 or choose the button to unmute.
I got it.
Oh, fantastic. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm all right. Miss McMillan, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, Judge.
All right. Now, Mr. Patel, Miss McMillan.
The face tells me this is probably going to be good.
I recognize that we've seen each other before.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me ask a few questions, because my hope is that I can, remember the court is an impartial third party, but my hope is that by having you both today and asking you some questions, maybe you both can get where you're aiming to go. Because I know that you both want something. It's a matter of, let's see if we can all get there, okay? So Mr. Patel, let me ask you a question. Is Miss McMillan physically, I understand she has items, but is she personally, as a human being, is she currently residing in, was it number 105?
Yes.
Is she currently using number 105 for more than just her items?
Yes.
When is the last time, to your knowledge, that Miss McMillan came and used the room?
Well, I have no idea, ma'am. I'm working 24 hours. I got to do what I was doing here. Different desk is come and gone.
Okay. All right. So you don't have personal knowledge. Mr. Patel, here's my other question.
Mhm.
When's the last time Miss McMillan gave you any money?
The last time she gave me money was on sometimes in September 2025.
Okay. And Mr. Patel, you are a hotel operator.
Yes.
All right. And in September, what room was Miss McMillan paying for?
105, room number 105.
What kind of key is that?
It's a key, electronics key card key.
And per your terms and conditions, have you changed the key card on her?
No.
Why not?
I mean, I'm sorry, what you said, the key card holder?
Yeah, like, is it like you have an electronic key and you charge it to that room, or is it a physical key that is keyed to a deadbolt?
No, it's not a physical key, no. It's
Okay.
just a key, electronic key card where you touch by the lock and it get open.
And it get open.
Miss McMillan, are you still living in Unit 105?
No, ma'am.
Where do you live?
I live in a temporary place right now.
But you don't live at Mr. Patel's hotel anymore.
I have not been there since October of 2025.
As I assumed, because I've heard this testimony from both of y'all before. Okay, so not a tenant. Miss McMillan, do you still have items at the hotel?
Yes,
Are you
Your
wanting
Honor.
to get those items?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Patel, are you interested in Miss McMillan coming and getting her stuff?
Yes.
I'm going to give y'all court's information, okay? Because I would love to get you where you want to go, but the way you're both pursuing it is not going to get either of you what you want, okay? So, Miss McMillan is not a tenant. She has not been a tenant in ordinary course as a tenant under the law since at least September, October, November. You are a lodger, Mr. Patel. As a
Lodger.
hotel operator, your own receipts tell me that it is a lodging situation. She was paying to be a lodger for 30 days in advance, and then she stopped paying, at which case She's no longer a lodger. You're a hotel operator. She's not a tenant. That's why when you previously tried to evict her, I said you can't because she's not a tenant, right? If what you're trying to do is recover money or get rid of her stuff, there is a different mechanism for that. It's a different kind of civil suit. But an eviction will not get you where you want to go because she's not a tenant. In the same vein, Ms. McMillan, if you want to recover your items, a writ of reentry will not do it for you because you're not a tenant. If you are interested in filing a writ of retrieval, you might be eligible for that. And that is the document that you might want to encourage or look at or talk to legal aid about. Is this something for me, right? Now, that's just legal mechanisms. Mr. Patel, as a hoteler, you have rights and responsibilities for items that are left in the unit once someone leaves the hotel. You can contact any legal attorney you want about what to do with those items. Having said that, there's nothing whatsoever that prevents the two of you from agreeing to have a time where you come together. Ms. McMillan gets her stuff, and then Ms. Patel, you get your room back. But she's not a tenant sufficient for an eviction. And Ms. McMillan, likewise, I cannot give you a reentry because you don't have the right to be there. You both may have some other things you can do about the property that remains, if indeed you want to go and get
it. Excuse me, Judge. I already had a writ of reentry
I know.
in this case, and I already won an eviction. I prevailed in the last one.
Ms. McMillan, I agree. He can't evict you because you're not a tenant, and I gave you a writ of reentry, but once we tried to serve it, we found out it didn't really qualify anymore. And so at this stage, if you filed for a new writ of reentry, I would deny it for the very testimony you just told me. You're not a tenant. A writ of retrieval may very well get you back the same things you want.
We have an oral lease, just like with the Acostas that had an oral lease. I've been paying for over a year and a half, month to month, oral lease. And
Ms. McMillan,
and I had you heard the video of him saying I'm a tenant. It was a tenant. And there's other people that are tenants there in cottages there.
Ms. McMillan, Mr. Patel, the court has exhausted its information that it provides you. And I will say it again. I don't find any of your testimony to establish for me a lease here. Not anymore. You may have once been a tenant, but you're not. If you're trying to get back your property, there is another method for that. And Mr. Patel, if you're trying to remove her property, please seek legal advice as to how to do that. There is not right now a sufficient landlord-tenant relationship between the two parties. So an eviction is going to fail.
How could I have won an eviction and then been locked out and I prevailed in it, and then now all of a sudden I can't win another eviction? How is that even possible?
You're winning the eviction because you're not a tenant, Ms. McMillan. That's what I'm saying. You keep saying you won the eviction. You were sued to be evicted, and you won because you weren't evicted, and you can't be evicted if you're not a tenant. It's like saying I can't get you divorced if you've never been married. Y'all are not married anymore.
It was because he didn't give a proper notice to vacate. That's the reason why.
That was then. Today, though, right now, Mr. Patel
it's the same situation.
Ms. McMillan,
he refiled and he refiled and he refiled.
Do you want to be evicted or do you want to win again?
I just want my stuff, but I have more rights.
Ms. McMillan, I've even called legal aid on your behalf. Look at, I'm going to say this, writ of reentry will fail because you are not a tenant, as you just testified.
People don't understand words and sentences sometimes, like her. No, Leslie, they weren't married. She was just using an analogy for what she was trying to explain, but I imagine the word analogy by itself is up here on Miss McMillan.
There's other versions out there.
That's not what I testified to. I testified that I have not been able to stay there, as is my legal right, since October of 2025 because of his violence. I would have stayed there if the owner would have been served, the true owner. I had every right to be there. I prevailed in the eviction. I haven't been able to stay there because I'm afraid of this guy because of his violent
Ms.
behavior.
McMillan, have you paid rent for January, December?
No.
Then
He
you would
owes me money.
Ms. McMillan, then you would.
What? Have you paid rent? No. Then he owes me money.
Be evicted today for non-payment. You see, either you're evicted.
But he didn't even file the proper notice to vacate.
I actually don't see that. It looks like his notice to vacate was fine. I just said it's failed.
Can you file a notice, which I haven't even been served, so I haven't even seen it. He doesn't ever serve any of the documents that he gives to you all. And then can he file a notice to vacate when the appeal window is still in the appeal for the last eviction?
Yes.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
The landlord can exercise all of their rights. He can appeal and give you notice to vacate all in the same day.
And then he can reuse the same notice to vacate because he dismissed that eviction and he refiled the same day and did not give me another notice to vacate.
He can try, but I've just filed against him.
Ma'am, I did. She came on December 5th. I did like the way in an envelope, set it up outside and inside the room. She came and picked it up.
As I see it, as y'all have explained it, there are two options for what I can give you. Either Ms. McMillan is a tenant who's not paid her rent and she's evicted today for non-payment, or Mr. Patel doesn't have a tenant because she hasn't resided there in well over a month, and as a result, case is dismissed. Neither of you are happy with that outcome, but that's what I'm left with, and that's the ruling. Court says plaintiff take nothing. I don't find that Ms. McMillan's a tenant, and Ms. McMillan, no other conversation. Please contact legal aid about how to recover your property when you are not a tenant. There is a method for that. There's a form for it, and I am happy to sign it, and you can go and get your stuff from Mr. Patel, who wants you to get your stuff and leave. Okay. All parties are excused.
Is it like a
Ms. McMillan, what's that?
How long do I have to get it? Did you see like the U-Haul reservation that I had already like planned before he locked me out? I still don't have a key. I'm afraid of this guy. I've asked for protection from this man since I filed the original writ of reentry. Like, you guys aren't protecting me at all. I would have gotten my stuff out. I don't want to have my stuff over the holidays. Like, I mean...
Ms. McMillan, please contact legal aid again. Please.
Ms. McMillan, stop asking me questions and talk to a freaking lawyer. Cheryl, I know many hotels will have a sign or some sort of notice that says, you know, if we'll put your stuff in lost and found, but it's gone after 30 days. I don't know if that's a law. It might just be a policy. I'm sure there's something, but the storage unit of a hotel room she's using is clearly cheaper than a storage unit.
Okay, and Mr. Patel, please contact a lawyer. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh.
It strikes me again and again, you're both just this side of where you need to be, especially when you both seem to be wanting the same thing, which is Ms. McMillan to get her stuff back. All right.
Is he going to let me get my stuff back safely?
Yes.
Like,
parties can absolutely arrange that on their own, right? I
have a lot of filings that I've asked to be filed, that I've asked to have the court look at, and
Ms. McMillan,
one of them is...
I have reviewed them, and I have been as clear as I possibly can with you.
Okay, please, so you're not going to file to protect me. So you're not going to like file to make sure that I'm protected.
I will never file on your behalf, Ms. McMillan. I'm the judge.
No, I mean find for me to be protected. And how do I get a key? And he's told me that I cannot contact him to obstruct. So like, how do I do all that?
All parties are excused. I don't think we're being very constructive. Please contact either Texas Rio Grande Legal Aid or any legal aid services about recovering items when you are no longer a tenant. Because you're not a tenant. That's why you're not evicted. And Mr. Patel, you know, parties can, everyone seems to want the same thing. I want y'all to have the same thing. But legally, it's not an eviction, and therefore it wouldn't be a writ of reentry. Y'all are past that stage.
I don't understand how that could even be, but how do I even go about to get a key and get my things?
Ms. McNillan, that's legal advice. And per what I'm saying is you don't have the right to have a key because you're not a tenant.
But I was a tenant, but now I'm not a tenant, even though everything is the same.
Yes.
Like I had a key.
Ms. McNillan, here's why. Because you don't have a lease. You were staying at a hotel, and your time to the hotel came to an end, and you didn't pay.
I have an oral lease. I have an oral lease longer than the Acostas that you just said had an oral lease for a bunch of guys that might have been squatters. And you said that it's an oral lease, and you know, like, but I don't have a lease. Like,
all parties are excused. Thank you very much.
How do I appeal? Do I have the 5 days to appeal?
Again, legal question. By the way, this is the second time she said all parties are excused.
You've won, Miss McNillan. What are you appealing?
I'm appealing because he's going to do something to my stuff, and I don't know how to get a key to get my stuff, and you're not keeping me protected.
Miss McNillan, we're done. Court is over. Please contact Texas Rio Grande Legal Aid about a writ of retrieval.
You're the one who said Texas Rio Grande Legal Aid is not good, and you're right.
No, they're
and I
great.
tried to find. You're the one who
is outstanding. I know they're very busy.
No, you told me that they were, when we had issues on this before during the writ of reentry, you said there was a problem with them, and there is. And anyway, that's I mean, I've got to get this stuff on the record.
We're not a court of record, Miss McMillan. That's why you can appeal de novo. All right. All parties are excused.
I need to get all this crap on record. We're not a court of record. I know a lady. There's a lady that I know that's so very, very similar to this lady. That one was painful for me to watch because of that. She's gonna appeal. You won, but I'm not getting my way. He said he didn't change the lock, and it's a key card, so we're guessing. We're guessing she lost the freaking key card. It's not his fault. Lady, he wants you to get your stuff. You don't live there. You're not entitled to shit. Well, last time that happened, Erica, it turned out to be not true. Thanks, Brecken. I enjoyed it. I really did. I'll play that kind of stuff any day. I think that went well. That's a good one. She's fun. She's probably waiting for the judge after court. Judge, oh wait, she was on Zoom. Never mind. Yeah, that was the best part. I gotta get this on record. We're not a court of record. Yeah. I'll try to stream it tonight. Yeah. All right, let's do. What time is it? I could do one or two more. All right, let's go back to the flip flop. Oh, this one's kind of long. Yesterday when I streamed, did I play the lady that? Yeah, I think I did. Let's try this one. See you later.
Hi there, how are you?
Hi.
What's going on?
Buddy cam stories. I gotta get a coat. It's cold in here.
I'm just sitting here.
You're just sitting here? No, from my understanding, you're not just sitting here. I think you've overstayed your welcome.
That's okay, no problem.
Okay, let's go.
No problem.
Oh boy, how are you gonna get home?
Well, I can Uber. What?
Upright.
So, see what,
I got
what they're doing to me.
That's impossible. No, I'm not doing anything to you.
Like, they're
Alright, how are you planning on getting home?
Uber.
Uber? Okay. That's fine, but you're having trouble standing up and your shoes untied. So, I don't want you to fall.
Sure, let me see that you ordered the Uber, so I don't know that's the real thing. I did do that. Yeah, I did. It's on my phone.
Well, they usually don't call us for no reason.
I didn't do anything, but I Ubered.
Okay.
It's on my phone.
How far is the Uber?
Huh?
How far is the Uber?
Oh. Good. Pretty good. I didn't do anything today.
I didn't say you did anything. 11 minutes?
I did
Okay,
nothing.
we'll go wait outside. I'll let you sit in the back of my car.
I did nothing.
Okay, do you have your ID?
I do. So that's what happened.
I'm sorry? Yeah, you're having trouble standing. Easy. I'm gonna put
So I did nothing wrong.
Nobody said you did anything wrong.
So get off my arm like
I'm
that.
trying to stop you from breaking your head open on the floor.
So you're doing something that's not nice.
I'm what?
You're like doing something that's not nice.
No, I don't want you to
All
fall.
professional. I don't
You
like
literally can't stand straight.
I can Uber and get in the back of the car and be done with you. I don't have to deal with you.
I don't know why you're giving me attitude. I'm trying to help you out from going to jail.
Go to jail for what?
Disorderly conduct and throwing shit at the bar.
I didn't do anything.
Okay, not what I was told.
Show a picture. Show a picture.
I need one person to be alarmed and disturbed when you're going to
Show a
jail.
picture.
So you got two options. We're going to go outside of the car. We're going to wait in the back of my car for your Uber.
Real liar.
Or you're going to jail.
Show a picture.
Go. Let's go. We're out of the bar.
I would like that.
We're out of the bar.
I would like that.
You're going to go in handcuffs in about a second. Alright.
Just take a ride.
You're going to go in handcuffs.
Take a ride and chill out.
I'm giving you the option.
Take a ride and chill out.
And I really don't want to go to jail right now.
Please. So I was just like, you're gonna just go. Peacefully. He was trying to help you. He did. Just get a ride
I'm really
home.
trying not to drive to the jail, and I'm trying to help you out.
Take a ride home. Take a ride
You're gonna sit in the back of my car for 10 minutes until your Uber gets here.
Fine. Well, you're gonna deal with it for one more night, all right? Oh, he's not an abusive man. Just
He's
go
willing.
home. What?
He's willing to let you wait in his
What?
car until the Uber comes without
That's
taking
not
you
worth
to
any-
jail.
What?
That is a pretty sweet
What do you
deal.
mean? You guys don't know.
Listen.
Stop. Let me talk to my
You
friend.
need to stop. You're done at the bar. We're going outside, and that's it.
Just go.
Let's go. Come on.
Don't go to jail. Just cooperate. My love.
Ready?
Go. Be cool.
Go ahead. These people are trying to enjoy their evening, and you're ruining it.
What? You suck. You're awful.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, fine. I appreciate that.
You got your ID because you're about 3 seconds away from going to jail. And if you refuse to give me your ID, you are.
a little bit loud, I think.
Yeah, please.
So
You just
probably.
have to lace it properly.
And you do it right?
No, I'm not tying your boot. You just called me an asshole or something, so I'm not tying
Because
your
you
boot.
are an asshole. No.
See, and this is...
Sweetheart, you need to stop.
All right.
You need to stop.
What happened to the bartender?
She's on the phone.
She's on the phone.
She's on the phone with the owner of the bar.
Okay.
You want her inside right now?
No, wait, leave him.
No, you're good.
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. He's not going
Okay.
away, honey. He's the walk.
Hi, were you alarmed and disturbed?
Yeah.
Perfect. We're in custody now. So now we're done. We're done playing this game.
Why are you doing that? Stop
You're
doing
not going
that.
to do this.
Why are you doing
You're
this?
not going to do this.
Why are you
You're
doing
not
that?
going to do this.
Right.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
What did I do?
Stop. I gave you so many chances.
I did nothing wrong.
Stop.
What did I do wrong? Can you not do that?
Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing anything. You're like crazy. Why are you doing
Stop. Put your hands
Why
behind
are
your
you
back.
doing this?
Don't. I will put
D-Light is still the jam. That's a regular in my house for sure.
you on the ground if you don't stop.
Stop doing
I will
this.
put you on the ground if you don't stop.
Stop doing this to everyone.
Do you understand?
Stop doing this to everyone. Stop.
Stop. You're done. I gave you plenty.
I will not.
You're
I will
resisting.
not.
Stop resisting.
I am resisting.
I know you're resisting and you're going to jail.
I'm resisting.
Okay. You're going to go to the ground in 3 seconds if you don't stop.
So everyone's watching you do this.
I know, and
why
everybody understands how many.
Why are you watching?
I'm putting you on the
Why
ground.
are you doing that? I'm not doing.
Stop.
Do you guys see this?
Oh my God.
What a nasty person.
Let go of your vape. All this could have been
What an
avoided.
awful person that you're doing in front of everyone.
I got her in custody. She's resisting. I can just have one of my partners step it up.
I've done nothing wrong. It's awful. It looks so
Groovy.
bad for you that you're doing
Honestly?
this. I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
You literally told me you were resisting.
I did nothing wrong. You're just like acting out.
Oh yeah, I looked this guy up earlier today, by the way.
You did nothing wrong. What an awful.
Thank you for your understanding. Put your hand back here. Stop. And now you're going to kick me. Do you want extra charges?
I couldn't care less about what you're doing. I think you're a loser with nothing else going in your life. I think you have nothing going.
Uh-oh. She's calling him a loser. That means we're going to get a little D comment soon, probably.
Your life, and you're such a loser.
Well,
I think you're a loser. You're a loser.
I'm going to roll you to your side.
You're
I'm
a
going to pick you up.
loser. You're a loser. You have nothing going in your life.
I'm going to roll you to your side. And
Okay, bye. You're a loser. You're a loser. Truth about you.
She had a lot to drink.
You sound so stupid.
Okay.
You look like an idiot.
Turn your legs.
The officer looks like an idiot holding your face to the... Holding your arms where your face is to the ground.
No, don't kick me. Do not kick me. There's a bucket of water by your head. Stop.
Look, don't touch me.
Hey, he's got you in hand.
I don't care. I don't want you to touch me.
Just fucking.
What
Roll to your side and stand up.
What are you doing?
Stand up.
Get off me.
Stand up.
Just stand up.
Why? What are you doing?
Let's get you up there.
You're not.
go.
Everyone sees what you're.
Come on. I just picked her up. She don't want to stand up.
No, I don't want to. Come on, we're gonna go to the car.
She did kick me. Just watch her
I
legs.
did take. That's not.
Thank you. Sorry about your evening. I want you to come back and talk to you real quick.
I want nothing to do with you. Get away from me. You've been terrorizing me. Terrorizing me.
I tried giving you a ride
You're
home.
terrorizing me. Get off me. You're terrorizing me. This one thing's terrorizing me. It's a major problem. Major problem. You're terrorizing me.
Do you have anything on you? Any weapons? Anything?
What? This guy's terrorizing me. Everyone watch it. You're nuts. Everyone saw you do that.
The
You're
only
crazy.
person acting a fool is you.
Go, I don't care what you're saying to me right now. Get off of me.
Stop.
Get off.
Exactly how you got in this
What?
mess.
Look what he's doing. He's a terroristic nut. Get off of me.
Don't kick me in the nuts.
Then stop
What
telling
the fuck
me.
is wrong with you? You're done.
This guy put me on the ground.
Stop.
I'd rather be on the ground than by terrorized by this man.
You've already ended up on.
He's terroristic. Get him off of me.
Relax.
Get
Stop.
the man off me. Get the man off of me.
Do you have any weapons?
No. Get off of me.
No? Okay.
Get off of me. Knock it off. This guy. Knock it off. Get him off.
Stop.
He's awful. He's a terroristic threat.
Knock it off.
I have videos and everything. He's a liar.
Are you gonna stop kicking?
No.
You're
I
gonna
have
keep pressing
videos.
extra
I have
charges.
videos of this man.
Hey,
He's awful.
Lopez.
Stop.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Put me in jail.
Leg restraints or just
I have
Lopez?
videos.
Is it?
He's a liar. He's a
You gotta scoot her
liar.
out of the snow.
Get off me. Get off me. He's a terroristic threat. I have videos. I have videos of this man in the bar. What? Get off me!
Stop. If you kick me in the nuts again,
Get off me! I don't care about your fucking nuts! Fuck you!
Let me get on him.
I have everything!
Damn. He took a nut shot. And what is she taking videos with? Hold on, where's the... Oh, my God. So my YouTube made me re-log in for some reason. It was weird. Lynn, thank you so much for the 5 gifted memberships. We'll get it figured out, but I really appreciate it. Hopefully they go out, but if not, I'm tracking these. Yeah, maybe they'll go out. You're amazing. Thank you so much.
Got that like?
Camera first.
Everybody! Stop lying! Shut the fuck up, bitch! I have everything! Get off me!
All I wanted to give you was to give you a ride home.
I have everything!
Well, that would be nice.
I have everything! You guys are awful!
Good.
Ready? No, you're losers!
I did not search her yet.
You're losers! Bye! You're
Hold on.
losers! Bye!
He didn't. He can grab feet from the ocean.
You're
How do you,
losers!
hold on, let me try to get this person.
You're losers! All the videos said, you're losers, your cops are fucking losers, you're losers.
Really? You done?
Ah, stop it.
Lopez, have the seat.
Oh, shit! Golly, do it, son! Oh my God!
You're not giving us a chance or an option.
I don't even care about it. There we go. I don't care about it.
I think that's why I like the hobble a little bit more than the wrap, because it adds the extra pull leverage.
You want to try bending her knees?
Yep. Oh, my knees will snap! You don't do anything for anybody. You guys are losers. You do nothing for anybody. I'm gonna get out of jail. You guys don't care. Get out and...
Heck no, they wouldn't.
Do you feel good about yourself?
Unless it's somebody's first
Do you
day.
feel good about that? You're a loser. Get off my shoulders. You should be a nice person. Who cares about this? I don't care about this. It's so lame. I'm doing my job! You ain't doing fucking shit. Get off me. Who cares? I like being tied up, dummy. Can't abduct people. It's crazy! Crazy! Let me out real quick!
Oh, she got out.
I'm not gonna be abducted forever, no way.
Forever, no way. So she gets to come to the front. No. Damn.
This is a big fucking problem. Big fucking problem. It's a big fucking problem. Let me out real quick. Don't talk to nothing. Bye. Bye. Goodbye.
Hey, just
go away. Bye.
If you damage my car, that's going to be up to
I don't care what car I'm in. Goodbye. You're a loser. Goodbye. You're a loser. Goodbye. You have no credibility. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
You have none.
Goodbye.
Keep doing it. Go ahead, keep doing it. It's gonna be a big problem.
Goodbye.
Okay, well.
It's gonna be a big problem. Go on. That's so sad.
Goodbye.
I'm best friends with the commander of the VFW. You're such an idiot. You're such a low-life loser. I'm best friends with him. You're such an idiot. Go ahead. Go ahead.
What's his name?
Paul Swanson.
Paul Swanson?
You bet.
Oh,
He's tattooed on my arm. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. I was just spending time with him. You're an idiot. You're such a fucking stupid low-life loser.
Okay, well.
I did find a Commander Paul Swanson with the VFW, so where's this? Illinois?
You're not going to hurt my feelings.
I don't care about hurting your feelings. You're an idiot. Go ahead, keep trying. Keep trying. Keep trying.
I'm just going to clear the snow off.
I don't care about you. Shut the fuck up. Oh. Get my feet untied. Quick. Real quick. Before I...
Or maybe Robert Paulson?
Tell Paul Swanson. Okay. Bet, get my feet untied real quick. Okay. You dumbass bitch. Okay. You're so stupid. Trying to tie me up. You're tying me up. I know a lot of people, so stop. Okay. You're nobody. Go away. Go the fuck away. I gotta drive this. Shut the fuck up. Bye. You're nobody. You're nobody. You're a big fat fucking. You're a big fat fucking nobody. Trust me, I promise. I fucking promise. Untie my hands. Can I tell you? I don't care about you. No, untie. I don't care. I don't care. Untie my hands. Shut up. You have a small dick.
Oh,
you have a small dick. Untie my hands.
Sorry, that might have been loud.
Dummy. You're an idiot. Dummy. Untie my hands, dummy! I'll make sure of it real quick, you fucking low-life piece of fucking small-ass dick piece of shit. I will ruin your life. I'll ruin your life! Fucking life.
She's weird. I think, wasn't Wixom just volunteering? I feel like he was. Cheryl, thank you so much for the $2 super chat. Yeah. Okay, who wants to fix her? And I'm going to go with Wixom on this one because I think he called dibs if I'm reading the chat correctly.
Yeah, get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Trash.
You're goofy. You're weird.
I want it out of the car.
Okay, you will be out of this car at the jail.
I would like it right now. I just like out of the car. Fortunate.
Goodbye.
Why?
There you go, Cheryl.
Why are you being so nasty?
I'm not being nasty.
You're just like trying to like ruin my life. It's not.
I was trying to give you a ride home and be nice.
You didn't try to do anything nice. You're trying to ruin my life. It's really not nice.
I wanted to drop you off.
It's super nice. Not nice to do that, but that's okay. All this is public record, and everyone knows what you're doing. You're like a liar, and everyone knows, so it's okay. You're just doing that. It's okay. I'm going to take you to jail. You're going to jail. You have nothing going on. You have do you not have a home life? Do you have a wife or kids? Do you not care about your life? You don't care about anything.
It's just gonna get shitty.
You're just gonna go to jail. I'm gonna take people to jail. You're just doing that. It's so sad. I got her. She's the terror on the streets. I got her. Don't you worry about your own life, like about your own family. You have nothing going on other than me. Is sex that bad? Oh, that stinks. I'll ask my friends. Do you have kids? That you act like this? Oh my god. Do you think you took this job to be like, do you think you're like saving the world? What are you doing? What an awful profession. You're not very fun. You're not very cool. You're not even fun. And only people are your friends because you're a cop. They don't really like you. Nobody really likes you. Okay. I can't wait for this one. This will be a good one. You're going to look like an idiot. Go ahead. I'm going to play you as an idiot. You're an idiot. He's an idiot. I don't know what he's doing. He's so stupid. Very stupid. He's an immature cop. He's an immature cop. This is very easy. He's not very smart. He drove all the miles to wrap a girl up who did nothing wrong. You're not a seasoned cop. You're an awful cop. You're not good at your job. Not good at it. Not good at it. You're not good at your job. I hate that for you. Not good at your job. Jesus Christ, you're a penis hound. You're crazy. This is easy to prove. You're a loser.
Stop trying to get out.
Did she call him a penis hound? I'm looking at KFAR's stream right now, and it says he should have started 10 minutes ago, so I'm guessing that might have been a mistake, but just throwing that out there.
You're handcuffed, and so I'm leaving you by. You're trash, and you're a trash man. You're awful. Bye. I'm getting out of the handcuffs. You bet. You bet. You're awful. You're a trash man. You're a trash man. Bye. Nobody likes you. Bye. Who cares? Bye. You're trash. Everyone knows what you're doing, dummy. You're a fake cop. I'm doing this. Bye. Who cares? Bye.
Bye. Who cares? Bye.
You have somebody handcuffed in the backseat of your car. This is what you're doing. You have somebody handcuffed in the backseat of your car. You're so crazy. You're so crazy. You have somebody handcuffed in the backseat of your car. This is really not nice. It's not good. You're like a drug addict on drugs. Like you're killing people. That's not good. Right? I would stop. You're a mess. Be nice. You're like a mess of people. I don't care. I'll sit in the back seat. Go ahead. But this will be easy to prove now. Go ahead. Go on. You messed up. In the cop car, you messed up. This is so crazy. It's like a movie. Like, this guy, captured somebody in, a rental, whatever. You're doing this. This is crazy, dude. You're nuts. I don't care about you. Bye-bye. Crash and die.
Someone tells me a little more than just alcohol here.
Goodbye. Everyone knows what's going on anyway. Who cares? Oh, wow. This is all recorded. This is all recorded what you're doing. All recorded. All recorded.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking what you're doing so you don't slip out of your cuffs.
All recorded. I'm tied up at North and Main. Please meet me at North and Main. I'm tied up in someone's car. I'm tied up. I'll be out of here in 2 seconds. I'm very good friends with, well, more people than you. Got that right. I'm very good friends with Kenosha County Sheriff. Very good friends. This will be easy peasy, and then you'll be under the gun. But go ahead, whatever you want to do, dummy. You're an idiot. I'm very good friends with the Kenosha County Sheriffs. Very good friends.
Who's that?
I'm very good friends with them.
With who?
Well, they're tattooed on my arm, dummy. It's tattooed on my arm. You're an idiot. I'm that close with them. You're such an idiot. You're like driving me places. It's tattooed on my arm. Robert Croker, Tim Smooth, all these people are my friends, you idiot. I'm doing something. You're doing nothing.
I don't know. That sounds like it might be fun to hang out with Snorkel and Susie or Susan once or twice.
You're an idiot. The rest of the cops know you're an idiot. What an idiot. It's on my arm. Wow. 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 Look at it. Robert Croker, a lieutenant. Are you nuts? You're nuts. You're nuts, dummy. You won't have a job very soon. Who cares? Who cares? You won't have a job. You won't have a job. I know a lot of people more important than you. Bye. I got her in handcuffs. I feel so important. I put this girl in handcuffs. I'm so important. I got her wrapped up. You don't do anything. You don't even do anything. Nothing. I have a female in handcuffs. You do nothing. You're a joke. I care about it. Not good sex. Not good anything. Not good anything. No. You are cheating on your
yeah,
wife.
she needs tattoos for sure.
You're cheating on your wife. Everyone knows it. You're cheating on your wife. That's awful.
Hang tight, they gotta come out and help you out.
Don't you feel bad about that? That you're cheating on your wife? Do you feel bad about that? No? Well, everyone else feels bad about that. You're not. You're cheating on your wife. You're not a good man. You have a small penis too, bye. Very small. Alright, there's a lot of lies going on. It's easy to it's easy to prove. It's
No, this lady's scary, but I feel like tattoos are an improvement 100% of the time. Well, except for maybe on the face or a lot of times on the neck. But yeah. Yeah.
easy to prove what you're doing. Really easy to prove. It's no problem. Go ahead. It's fine. I can say it's easy to prove. Yep. He's a liar. Hey, Carol. So I'm not doing that. Take my feet out of this. I'm not.
Hey, Carol.
So I understand that, but I'm not.
Right here. There you go. Come on.
So get off my feet, like.
Come on, get up. Get up.
Was that the end? Does it end like that? Just.
There you go. Come on.
So get off my feet, like.
Come on, get up. Get up.
Whoa.
All right, Brandon, this is your warning. 2997 from 2970.
Yeah, that was a pretty good ending. I'm tired. All right, I gotta get my kids. I'll try so hard to stream later. I don't know if I'll have time, but I'll try. If not, I'll bring freaking Webby to court tomorrow. Hopefully tonight. I wonder. Let's see if that came out today. Oh, I got an idea. I got no idea. Yeah, whatever. I was gonna see if anybody else has Webby on their oh, what's it called? Thumbnail. I try to beat him to it, but it would have to be a little later anyway. Let's see. Let's see. Some of the night people haven't posted their stream yet. All right, you guys have a wonderful night. Thank you so much, mods. Everybody with the super chats, the gifted memberships, the member milestones. You guys are amazing. I have a redirect that I click save on that I attempted once before, so we'll to a channel I have not officially redirected to in the past. We'll see how this one goes. If you guys don't follow the redirect, they'll see it probably somewhere else. You guys are wonderful. I'm sure I'm forgetting something. I will see you later. It was fun. Oh, and thank you for all the videos too. Keep them coming, please. Especially Court. I love Court. Thanks. Bye, y'all.